She can't cook. Culinary legend Alice Waters recently dropped a bombshell, revealing that Meghan Markle was utterly helpless in the kitchen during the filming of her trailer for With Love, Meghan. Waters, known for her pioneering role in the farm-to-table movement, confessed she did all the cooking herself. So, what really happened on set? And why is this revelation causing such a stir? Let's unravel this behind-the-scenes drama that has everyone talking. Alice Waters, the trailblazing chef and founder of the renowned Chez Panisse in Berkeley, California, has long been a respected figure in the culinary world. Known for her emphasis on fresh, organic ingredients and simple yet elegant meals, Waters' involvement in Meghan Markle's trailer was initially seen as a match made in heaven. After all, Meghan has often touted her passion for cooking and healthy living, making Waters' participation seem like a natural fit. But as it turns out, things weren't as seamless as they appeared. In an interview that's since gone viral, Waters opened up about her experience working on the project. While she maintained a professional demeanor, her comments were undeniably revealing. Meghan was enthusiastic, no doubt, Waters said. But when it came to actually preparing the dishes, let's just say she was more comfortable watching. From the sidelines. The culinary icon's tactful phrasing left little doubt. Meghan was out of her depth in the kitchen. According to Waters, the trailer's idyllic scenes of fresh produce, rustic kitchens, and sumptuous meals were largely her doing. I wanted everything to feel authentic, she explained. So I ended up doing most of the cooking myself. Meghan was more focused on the storytelling aspect. While Waters' words were measured, the implication was clear. Meghan's portrayal of culinary prowess might not be entirely accurate. The revelations have sparked a wave of reactions online. Critics were quick to pounce, accusing Meghan of yet another instance of image crafting. She's always talking about how much she loves to cook, but when push comes to shove, it's all for show, one social media user commented. Others, however, were more forgiving. Not everyone is a chef, another user wrote. Maybe Meghan was just nervous working alongside someone as legendary as Alice Waters. Waters' account also included some amusing anecdotes that shed light on Meghan's culinary shortcomings. At one point, she tried to chop some herbs. Waters recounted with a chuckle. It was, well, let's just say we had to redo that scene. Another memorable moment involved a failed attempt at making a simple vinaigrette. She poured way too much vinegar, Waters revealed. I had to step in and fix it before the cameras rolled. Despite these hiccups, Waters was quick to defend Meghan's intentions. She really does care about food and its ability to bring people together, she said. But cooking is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time and practice. Waters' diplomatic approach has done little to quell the uproar, though, with many questioning the authenticity of Meghan's carefully curated public persona. The timing of this revelation couldn't be worse for Meghan, who has faced mounting criticism in recent months. From her Spotify deal falling through to the lukewarm reception of her Netflix projects, the Duchess of Sussex has struggled to maintain her once glowing reputation. Waters' comments have only added fuel to the fire, providing fresh fodder for her detractors. But why does this matter so much? After all, plenty of people aren't skilled in the kitchen, and it's hardly a crime to rely on an expert for help. The issue lies in the contrast between Meghan's public statements and the reality behind the scenes. Over the years, Meghan has frequently spoken about her love of cooking, even sharing recipes and anecdotes about her culinary adventures. To learn that she couldn't handle basic tasks like chopping herbs or making a vinaigrette has left many feeling duped. This isn't the first time Meghan's authenticity has been called into question. Critics have long accused her of being overly polished, with every aspect of her public image meticulously controlled. Waters' revelations have only reinforced this narrative, casting doubt on Meghan's self-proclaimed passion for cooking. The controversy also raises questions about the nature of celebrity endorsements and collaborations. When public figures team up with experts in a particular field, how much of their involvement is genuine? Waters' account suggests that Meghan's role in the trailer was more performative than participatory, highlighting the blurred lines between authenticity and image crafting in the world of celebrity branding. Of course, not everyone is buying into the backlash. Meghan's supporters argue that the criticism is unfair and rooted in misogyny, Why is it such a big deal that she's not a great cook? One fan wrote on Twitter. Plenty of people love food without being chefs. This is just another excuse to tear her down. Others have pointed out that Waters' comments while revealing were not overtly critical. Alice Waters didn't trash Meghan, another user noted. She just shared her experience. People are blowing this way out of proportion. Waters herself seems to be staying above the fray. Since the interview aired, she's remained tight-lipped, declining to comment further on the matter. Some have interpreted this as a sign that she's eager to move on, while others see it as an acknowledgement of the unintended fallout her words have caused. Meanwhile, the internet has done what it does best: turned the situation into a meme-worthy moment. Social media is now flooded with jokes and parodies, many of them poking fun at Meghan's apparent ineptitude in the kitchen. One popular meme features a picture of Meghan holding a knife with the caption, "When you love to cook, but can't chop herbs." Another shows a bottle of vinegar with the text, "Meghan's secret ingredient, chaos." Despite the humor, there's a deeper lesson to be learned from this saga. In an age where authenticity is increasingly valued, public figures face immense pressure to live up to the images they project. For Meghan, this means navigating the fine line between her personal passions and the expectations of her audience. Waters' revelations have exposed a vulnerability, reminding us that even the most polished personas have their flaws. So, where does Meghan go from here? Will she address the controversy, or will she let it fade into the background? And what about Alice Waters? Will she continue to collaborate with high-profile figures, or will this experience make her think twice about stepping into the spotlight? One thing's for sure, this story is far from over. Whether you see it as a lighthearted mishap or a damning indictment of Meghan's authenticity, Alice Waters' revelations have sparked a conversation that shows no signs of slowing down. Stay tuned, because in the world of celebrity culture, there's always another chapter waiting to unfold.